Welcome to the mini-series coming to you from the ELKO EP workshop. In today's segment, we will introduce the most successful time relay, the CRM-91H. These relays have undergone significant evolution over the past 25 years. What is crucial, however, is that they have been multifunctional right from the beginning, and their features have remained virtually unchanged because they keep on timing, unlike their electrical and mechanical design, which have changed over the years. Now, let's get to the unboxing and see what we've got inside. We have the relay and the instruction manual. Among other information, on the side you will find two codes. Below, this is a unique ID serial number for each product, according to which they can all be tracked. It also contains encoded manufacturing information and the week and year of manufacture, which is also in numerical form here. The QR code is here on the top. It contains a link to the installation manual. The relays are certified, among others, by the three most important labs, CE, EAC, and UL. Inside the relay, we can find only quality components from reputable companies, components that have withstood the test of time. For example, the PCB relay itself, and most components are UL recognized. The heart is an 8-bit microprocessor, which controls all features. Here, we find a switching power supply, which enables powering in the range of 12 to 240 volts AC/DC, which we will show you later. The unique design allows us to fit in up to 2 PCB relays inside, where one is a single pole 16 amp changeover contact, and the other is double pole 8 amp changeover contacts. So altogether, there are 3 switching contacts all in one module. The terminals have a so-called lift system of pulling together wires, which secures the wire and doesn't allow it to twist out. The enclosure is molded from halogen-free V00 plastic that complies with non-flammability requirements. Its RAL7035 color will remain fast and not turn yellow over time, thanks to a UV stabilizer. Now, let's look at the relay itself. It includes the following most commonly used features. Let's name them here on the scene. Time ranges are set by this rotary switch from 0.1 seconds to 10 days. In the given time range, fine setting is set by this potentiometer, and the functions are set by this rotary switch. As you can see, the relay operates in the range of 12 to 240 volts AC/DC, which is beneficial not only in that you cover the standard supply voltage of 230 volts or 120 volts AC, but also 24 volts AC/DC or 12 volts DC battery, thus also absorbing voltage spikes. The output LED flashes to indicate the progress of the timing. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to you joining me in the next segment.